Good morning. Happy Friday, happy weekend everyone. As usual, I'm here in the balcony again to have sunlight. Sunlight is a natural vitamin D. Good for the bone and for the cardiovascular. Also for the immune system. To help our immune system become strong and healthy. That's why every morning I need to have sunlight here in the balcony. It's good. This house is the sunrise is here. You can see the sunrise every morning. When I see the sun, there. The sun is there. But it's a little hotty. And that's the view in the back of our balcony. The house, in the back of the house. The view and the sun is there. The sun is there in my head. In the back of my head, that's the sun. See? It's weekend again. Tomorrow is my rest day. I need to go walking again to have exercise once a week. In the afternoon, usually we have a CG meeting. After CG meeting, going straight to the church to serve the church as a volunteer in ushering team member. I just want to have how many minutes sunlight here in the balcony. My white hair is coming out again. I'll just not even 1 month, I'll color my hair by myself. The white hair is coming out again. Today is weekend. My schedule today is I'm gonna clean this balcony, glass window in the balcony. Later, after I clean the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom first before I clean the balcony. I can clean the balcony this afternoon. See? I want to have sunlight for a while. The aircon inside is very cold. That's why the skin became dry because of the cold temperature. Bye guys. Happy weekend everyone. This is my t-shirt. Gawad Kasambahay t-shirt.